How to create templates with doc columns in Monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create templates with doc column. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com. And once when you log in, you can see that you will be redirected to this home page. And on your left hand side, there are some boards that you're working on. So let's open a board and get started. Now, if you don't know how to do this, I would just recommend that you follow each step mentioned in this video. And I'm pretty darn sure that by the end of it, you'll know each and everything about how to do it and execute it perfectly. So the beauty of Monday.com is that it contains amazing templates, doc templates that, you don't have to reinvent from the start. You don't have to build anything from the scratch. You can just, use the templates and you're on your way. So let's click on the plus icon. And then the first thing that we need to do is we have to click on Monday Doc. Okay, so once when we do that, it's created here. And now we have to click here to create the document template. And it will redirect us to this page where we can see there are so many templates that we can use. What we're going to do, we're going to click here on project plan. And you see it will give us all this in this template, which is something amazing, a document containing of each and everything right here. And we need to click on add, normal text, and it is added right here. So we have added this. Now we can just replicate it to all these. It's added to each and every document here. The template is already added and we're good to go. We can add furthermore description to it if we want. That's completely up to us. If you want to add a description to it, if you want to add a cover to it, completely up to us. But that's the basic, I would say, fundamental way of doing it, of creating a document here. And it's as easy as it is. You're good with that. So I hope this video is informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.